Good morning, happy Monday. So today we're going to start out with rhyming like normal. I'm going to say two words, you repeat them, then you give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, depending on if they rhyme or not. Jab, lab. Thumbs up, very good. Dude, did. Thumbs down, very good. Leave, weave. Thumbs up, very good. They rhyme. All right, next one. So I'm going to say two words, and then I want you to give me three more words that begin with that same concept. Ready? Bag, big. Very good. Did, done. Very good. Gum, gate. Very good. We're moving on. I'm going to break apart a word, and then I want you to put the word together. Ing. Sobbing. Very good. Eating. Reading. Very good. Joking. Joking. Very good. All right. I'm going to say a word and then I want you to break it apart. Clapping. Very good. Clapping. Clapping. Spinning. Very good. Spinning. Last one, sweeping. Very good. Sweeping. All right. We're going to say a word and then I'm going to tell you to add something, okay? Ringing. Now add b to the beginning. Bringing, very good. Raining. Now add d to the beginning. Draining, very good. Leaping. Now add s to the beginning. Sleeping, very good. Good luck, guys. See you tomorrow.